Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Praise to Allah the Almighty for all His blessing given to us. And peace be upon our messengers, Nabiullah, Nabi Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Thank you very much for giving me opportunities to present our research entitled Local Wisdom Values in Community Empowerment through Social Forest Utilization in Indonesia and Malaysia. This is a collaborative research between Unisba and University Malaya. The research team consists of first, Dr. Ida Afida MAG, second, Dr. Chairiawaty MSc, third, Dr. Rodia Huzai MAG from Unisba, and Associate Professor Dr. Cezarina Binti Saari from University Malaya. Okay, and the research objective is that to find out the social economic characteristics in the community empowerment by utilizing the social forest and the local wisdom values used in the community empowerment by utilizing those social forest needs. The research conducted in Indonesia and Malaysia, which used the case study method, and the research was conducted from February 2023 until July 2023. It is hoped that the research can contribute to strengthening the social wisdom of the community in social forest areas, both in Indonesia and Malaysia, to produce changes in community social behavior, to maintain forest sustainability, to increase income and community welfare, and to improve forest ecological condition. A prosperous forest village community is a community that is independent and able to improve their welfare, maintain social order, and preserve environment. And finally, the collaborative research in turn can contribute to the development of scientific learning, both for Unisba and University of Malaya. This scientific synergy will provide answers to the problem of community empowerment in the forestry areas based on local wisdom values. The goal of community empowerment process is to make community members independent so that they can improve the standard of living of their families and optimize their resources. The interview was conducted in 2 countries, and we have some varieties of informants. They consist of the community officers, NGO representatives, traditional rules, chairman of Farmers Group, Community Empowerment Carries, chair of the Village Cooperative Group, members of Village Group Cooperative, chair of the Village Tea Bakers, and members of Business Development for PkM Group. As we have already mentioned, that we are going to find out the social economic characteristics and the local wisdom values. The social and economic empowerment consists of some aspects. Those are empowerment forms, empowerment principles, empowerment stages, and influencing factors in the empowerment program. Meanwhile, the local wisdoms refer to the traditional knowledge, practices, and beliefs that have been developed and passed down through generation within a specific community or culture. To gain the data, the researchers interviewed the forest elders. Okay, and the social economic characteristic in the forestry based on the research results, okay, consists of some factors, okay, and the social characteristic can be seen from the community engagement, traditional knowledge and practices, social cohesion, gender inclusivity, and community-based enthusiasm. And for the economic characteristic are in the forms of livelihood diversification, sustainable forest management, access to markets, capacity building and training, and microfinance and credit access. For the local wisdoms, we found out that the local wisdom in forested communities in Indonesia share some similarities with those of Malaysia due to their geographical proximity and similar cultural background. Local wisdom elements due to their shared cultural heritage are crucial to recognize and respect the unique aspects of each country's diverse community. Empowerment programs in Indonesia, like those in Malaysia, focus on integrating local wisdoms into sustainable forest management, conservation, and community livelihood initiative to ensure effective and culturally sensitive outcomes. So those are the results of our research about the local wisdom values in community empowerment through social forest utilization in Indonesia and Malaysia. We do hope that we can continue our research regarding these problems because we want to have more horizon and more practices about the local values in community empowerment, especially for the forest community. Okay, thank you very much. I do hope that what we have already done can get something positive for us as well as for Unisba and for University Malaysia. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.